Questions about affiliate marketing? We have the answers. There are many benefits to you as an affiliate when doing affiliate marketing. You take pride in your blog/website, why not earn some rewards by advertising for companies that you strongly believe in? This video will show you how to make a little money off something you already enjoy doing. Avoid using services that hide domain ownership. It is believed that Google checks whether website owners have hidden their domain ownership information with services like domains by proxy and penalizes their sites by either reducing their rankings or increasing the time that the sites sit in the sandbox, the informal name given to the ranking penalty given to new sites until they prove themselves. Be honest with your affiliate marketing links. Your readers will appreciate your candid nature and honesty. People can see these things from a mile away, and they know how to bypass you and go straight to the vendor to make their purchase and keep you from getting your cut of the deal. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. A lot of affiliate marketing is touch and go, so you have to remember, never to be set on any one formula or any one method. You will want to experiment with different banners, different content, different text, and other methods to see which ones works best for you and your overall sales numbers. You have now learned how to use your blog or website to earn a little bonus through affiliate marketing. Take these tips seriously, and you could get a nice little bonus from basically doing nothing except allowing a company to advertise. Very little work on your part, and it helps both you and the company out. Student loan,